Hello everyone, StylesbyLailani is here bringing you the natural styles of life. And today, yes, y'all see me doing something a little bit different. Here I am making my D.I.Y lip gloss, y'all. And I am bringing you guys to show you what I am doing. If you would like to achieve making your own lip gloss, please stick around and watch the video. I sped it up a little bit because it takes time, y'all. It takes time. So here I have my Versagel, okay, and I have my other liquid oils that I also put in my lip gloss. It's all up to you. It's what you like, what feels good to your lips and your skin or your liking, okay? If you would like to add sweetening, you can. If you would like to add scents, you can. Shimmering, glitter, you can. You can also go and get the Versagel from off of Amazon. Amazon is a great startup for DIY. If you go over there, look me up at StylesbyLailani and look at my storefront. See some of the stuff I have. Check it out a little bit. Give me your ins and outs on it. So, on this portion over here, I am actually sorting through my colors because I'm doing a 5-pack. If you go on my StylesbyLailani.com website, you will see that I have a 5-pack of lip gloss, bestseller. Okay, I love doing the 5-packs because they give you a variety. We like to change up. We don't like to keep things the same. So I'm just picking my colors with the colors I'm going for. You do the same. If you would like to keep it clear, you can. If you would like to make it green, blue, purple, go ahead and do that. And also a tip, warm up the Versagel in 4-minute increments depending on the weight that you're using of the Versagel, so that you will be able to stir it and mix up all your other oils properly. Okay, so that was a tip that I learned through trial and error. So here I'm just showing you how my colors have turned out. This one will be my clear, so I'm just gonna mix that up a little bit. And this one here is my red tint, y'all. Filling up our lip gloss tubes. I have my pipettes. So I'm gonna show y'all what I do with those. Make sure y'all like this video up, subscribe to the channel, and share to any upcoming small businesses. Okay. So I have my syringes. I have 3 syringes. I'm not gonna get all 5 syringes. Okay. So I take my scissors and I cut off the bulb part. Grab one of my, and I put it on just like that. Just like that. And then we take a little piece off at on the little tip. And that is how we will fill up our tubes. Okay. First, we're gonna start with our clear. I like to start with the lightest to the darkest. I'm using a whole roll of paper towels. So we just gonna give it a good stir, mix everything all in. You kind of want to do it slow. That's how you kind of eliminate having so many air bubbles as well. So I just popped right back in because I had wanted to let you guys know when you are incorporating your colors, it is also good to let the colors sit in a liquid oil so it doesn't clump up in your lip gloss or not get mixed all the way through. Okay, so I just really wanted to pop back in and let y'all know that. And if you do have clumps in your lip gloss, you really should let your lip gloss sit um, covered, of course, and let it sit. And you can also warm it up, um, like do increments in the microwave just to break that clump down. So my thing is just let it sit in some liquid oil like liquid coconut oil, olive oil, or castor oil, whatever liquid oils that you're using with your lip gloss. Let the color sit in a little bit of that and then pour it in your gel. Okay, so here I am filling up my tube. So you see how I showed you guys the little trick with the pipette and the dropper. That has helped for me so much, y'all. Like, lip gloss making is very, very messy, and this is I have a lip gloss what is it called, dispenser, but since I am making a small batch here, and I wanted to show you guys how to do it in case you don't have all those type of big equipments. Like, that stuff costs, like, come on. So this is definitely a DIY. And these labels, you can also make them with a Cricut cut machine. Okay. I love DIYs. It saves money and you can do it to your liking without, someone telling you to do it like this, do it like that. And then you get better over time. So I hope y'all like my video. I know I was a bit chatty in this video, but I needed to let y'all know a little bit of tips and tricks on how to make your own lip gloss at home, okay? And you can continue to do it over and over again. So make sure y'all like this video. Come on over to StylesbyLailani.com and get y'all some all natural bath and body care. Get y'all some all natural lip gloss, okay? Let me know if you end up making your own lip gloss. Let me know. Drop a pic down below. And I appreciate your support, love, and care. Y'all have a good day. Bye.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough.